If you have a minute, let me take you through the European Capital of Culture of 2018, Malta. On the last day of the opening week, acrobats, dancers, and artists alike took to the stages to showcase their talents under a beautiful display of lights. In the center of the island lies the walled city of Medina, whose gates were shot in the early seasons of Game of Thrones, amongst other landmarks on the island. Here, you can also enjoy a quick snack with a view at the Fontanella Tea Garden, followed by a quick stroll through the eerie St. Paul catacombs. Because the island is so small, buses and ferries can take you pretty much anywhere on the island within an hour. And at €1.50, you can reach beautiful destinations like the Gontafia Bay or the Blue Grotto. And be sure to set your alarms for 12 and 4 p.m. because you just might get to catch the bombs go off at the Baraka Gardens. And no trip to the Mediterranean is complete without diving into the bountiful seafood restaurants. But clearly, I've only scratched the surface because there are plenty more beaches, monuments, food and activities to see, taste, and try. But my time is up, so I'll see you in a minute.